We have been talking about the difference between common nouns and proper nouns in the classroom. So I want to do a little bit of a review with you, and then I have an activity that I would like you to do. A reminder that a common noun is a word that refers to a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. When we use common nouns, we're talking, for example, about any teacher in a building. We're talking about any restaurant that might be in a town. We're talking about any pair of shoes that might be in your closet or any dog that might be a pet. Those are all common nouns because they are not giving specific names. When we cross over and we talk about specific names of people, places, things, and animals, then we're talking about proper nouns. For example, we might be talking about Mrs. Johnson. She might be a very specific third grade teacher in a building. In that case, we would call her Mrs. Johnson, and we would also have to capitalize her name, both Ms. and Johnson. When we're talking about the specific name of a place, I might be talking about McDonald's because that's the name of a specific restaurant that we would be going to. So again, the M in McDonald's would have to be capitalized. It's also a little bit of an odd one because the D would be capitalized as well. When I get to things, uh, commonly we talk about things having a brand name. For example, the common noun that I used was shoes, but now I might be talking about a pair of Nike tennis shoes in my closet. So you know the very specific name of the shoes in my closet I'm talking about, and we would have to do a capital letter. And again, when we get down here to animals, I'm not talking about any old dog. If I'm talking about a proper noun, I might be talking about Clifford, the big red dog who we like to read books about. So again, remember a common noun can be referring to any ordinary person, place, thing, or animal. The proper noun is giving a name of a person, the name of a place, thing, or animal, and would need capital letters. As we begin our activity today, you're going to be given a sentence and you're going to have to decide, oh, is it a common noun or is it a proper noun? This sentence says, the Jacksonville Zoo is near our home. It was a proper noun, so I clicked down here on proper and dragged it over into the box. You will see about 12 slides where you will have to choose common or proper after reading the sentence and drag it over.